Hello everyone, it's your friendly neighbourhood Budgie, and I'm going to be playing some more one-way heroics. I thoroughly enjoyed the game last time, and so I've decided to try and get another achievement in this game. So last time I managed to get 3 achievements, the License on Life achievement being the one I was actually going for, surviving until the 3rd day. This time I'm going to be trying to get into darkness, which I don't think should be too hard, because it simply means that I have to let the darkness get me at the end of my adventure. However, since that's quite easy, I'm also going to try and get as far through this game as possible and see if I can discover some new things and learn more about it. So, I can press continue and talk from here. I don't understand. Is this where I got to last time? I am so confused as to what is going on right now. Well, this is my old playthrough, then I may as well just die and start again. And there's the achievement into darkness. Well, that was the quickest video ever. I'm going to keep going and try and get another one. Okay, round 2. I'm going to create a new random world and explore it. And I'm going to make another walk in the park since I don't quite understand the game yet. Hello everyone, it's your friendly neighbourhood Budgie, and I'm trying to get a second achievement now. My first perk, so I'm going to be attempting to get enough points in this playthrough to get a new perk. Somehow my body, which should have been swallowed by the darkness, is returned to me in one piece. Actually, maybe it isn't in one piece. My body, the memories of my old body are already fading. I seem to get a lot of memories lost in this game. Already I can tell that this world is different to the one I'm used to. Hello, it's a bat. That was easier than the bloody polar bear. I will immediately start using my potted herb. So I can get a whole lot of healing herbs for it. Well, looks like the end of day 1. This is good for experience. Level 2, level 3. One monster. Do I have time to explore this? How fast I can kill this person. I'm going to risk it because I've got Awakening. I'm not going to open that chest though. Right. Awakening. Oh no! The midnight black curtain pressing against your back finally gets the best of you and swallows you whole. Almost immediately you are crushed by intense pressure and sent flying into the air. From above you can see the darkness assailing the land. From this new vantage point you are able to spot something against the endless dark fog. A dragon, larger than any mountain in the land, is coiled up within the deadly fog. Oh, so that is what has been consuming our world? As you come to this realization, something solid slams into your body and ends your musings forever. You make your demise pretty quickly this time, but don't worry, it happens to everyone. Well, not to me, but you know what I mean. Well, I shall endeavour to make sure that doesn't happen in the future, but I think I have to be fair and say this is now the end of the video. I have probably died accidentally and I will keep going for my first perk next time. So without further ado, thank you very much for watching. This has been your friend in the neighbourhood Budgie playing a very short game of One Eye Heroics.